Today's video is on compound angles. In today's video, I am going to give solutions for the most important questions. So these questions are repeatedly asked in the question paper. And see here, first of all, the first question is, find the value of tan 20 degrees plus tan 40 degrees plus root 3 times of tan 20 degrees into tan 40 degrees. And the next question here is, find the value of tan 56 degrees minus tan 11 degrees minus tan 56 degrees into tan 11 degrees. And next one, we have to show that cos 36 degrees plus sine 36 degrees by cos 36 degrees minus sine 36 degrees is equal to tan of 81 degrees or cot 9 degrees. So I'm going to give the solution for the first question. So we have to find the value of tan 20, tan 40 plus root 3 times of tan 20 degrees into tan 40 degrees. For this, we have to take, see here. So, we have a formula that is tan of a plus b is equal to, this value is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Clear? So in this formula, we have to substitute the A value as, see here, I am putting A value as 20 degrees and next one B value as 40 degrees. And see what happens here. So this will become tan of 20 degrees plus 40 degrees is equal to, this is tan 20 degrees plus this value is tan 40 degrees by 1 minus this value is tan 20 degrees into this value is tan 40 degrees. Clear? As you know that tan 20 plus 40 is nothing but this value is tan 60 degrees is equal to, this is tan 20 degrees plus this value is tan 40 degrees by 1 minus this is tan 20 degrees into the value here is tan 40 degrees. So what is tan 60 degrees? Tan 60 degrees is nothing but root 3. Since we have tan 60 degrees value is nothing but root 3. So I am substituting the value of tan 60 as root 3. Therefore, root 3 is equal to tan 20 degrees plus this is tan 40 degrees by 1 minus this is tan 20 into this value is tan 40. So I am cross multiplying it. Therefore, here tan 20 plus tan 40 degrees is equal to root 3 times of, so this is root 3 times of 1 minus this is tan 20 degrees into tan 40 degrees. So tan 20 degrees plus tan 40 degrees is equal to, so if I multiply, this will be root 3 minus this is root 3 into tan 20 degrees into tan 40 degrees. So I am sending this negative part to other side. So it will become plus. Therefore, tan 20 degrees plus tan 40 degrees plus root 3 times of this is tan 20 degrees into this is tan 40 degrees is equal to, what is left over here? Root 3. So the value of, therefore, the value of tan 20 degrees plus tan 40 degrees plus root 3 times of tan 20 degrees into tan 40 degrees value is nothing but root 3. So this is how we have to solve. And see here, so tan 20 plus tan 40 plus root 3 times of tan 20 into tan 40, we got the value as root 3. So first of all, we have to take tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. In this, our substitution is a is equal to 20 degrees and b is equal to 40. After substituting and putting tan 60 degrees as root 3 and cross multiplying, so we got the value as root 3. And the next second question here is, so find the value of tan 56 degrees minus tan 11 degrees minus tan 56 degrees into tan 11 degrees. So again, for this solution, we have to take tan of a minus b. So tan of a minus b value is nothing but this is tan A minus this value is tan B by 1 minus this value is tan A into this value is tan B. So in this our substitution is put A value. So A is equal to this is 56 degrees and B value as 11 degrees. If I substitute both the values here, then this will be, this is tan of 56 degrees minus 11 degrees is equal to, this value is tan 56 degrees minus this value is tan 11 degrees by 1 minus this is tan 56 degrees into the value here is tan 11 degrees. What is 56 minus 11? So this value is nothing but this is tan 45 degrees. Clear? 56 minus 11 is 45 and this value is tan 56 degrees minus tan 11 degrees by 1 minus this value is tan 56 degrees into tan 11 degrees. As you know that the value of tan 45, so tan 45 value is, from the table it is 1. So if I put tan 45 as 1, therefore 1 is equal to, this value is tan 56 degrees minus this value is tan 11 degrees by 1 minus this is tan 56 degrees into tan 11 degrees. So if I cross multiply, so therefore tan 56 degrees minus this is tan 11 degrees is equal to, if I multiply with 1, this will be 1 minus tan 56 degrees into this value is tan 11 degrees. So if I send this to other side, so this will become tan 56 degrees minus tan 11 degrees plus this is tan 56 degrees into tan 11 degrees. The value, what is remained here? 1. Therefore, so the asked question here is, therefore, tan 56 degrees minus tan 11 degrees plus this is tan 56 degrees into tan 11 degrees value is 1. So this is what it is asked. The value here is 1. And the third question here is, so show that. So we have to show that cos 36 degrees plus sin 36 degrees by cos 36 degrees minus sin 36 degrees value is tan of 81 degrees or cot 9 degrees. So for this solution, I am taking cos 36 degrees common from the numerator. So this will be 1 plus sin 36 degrees by this value is cos 36 degrees divided by, so from the denominator also I am taking cos 36 degrees common. This will be 1 minus this is sin 36 degrees by this value is cos 36 degrees. If I cancel these two, this will become 1 minus this is tan 36 degrees by this is 1, this is 1 plus tan 36 degrees and this is 1 minus this value is tan 36, as sin theta by cos theta is nothing but tan theta. So in place of 1 I am writing tan 45. Clear? As you know that tan 45 degrees is 1 plus this is tan 36 degrees by 1 minus. So I am writing this as 1 into. So in place of 1 I am writing again tan 45 degrees into this is tan 36 degrees. So as you can see, this is of the form. So it is in which form? This is of the form tan A plus this is tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. So what is the formula here? So for this the formula is nothing but tan of A plus B. So this is tan of A plus B. So what is A here? So A value is 45. So I am writing this value is tan 45 degrees plus 36 degrees. So what it is? This value is tan of, this value is 81 degrees. So this can be written as tan of 81 can be written as 90 degrees minus 9 degrees. So tan of 90 minus theta is nothing but cot theta. So in place of theta we have 9 degrees. Therefore, we got the value as tan 81 degrees or cot 90 degrees. Therefore cos 36 degrees plus sine 36 degrees by cos 36 degrees minus this is sine 36 degrees value is equal to tan 81 degrees or cot 9 degrees. So this is how we have to solve. These are so simple steps. So if you practice properly, definitely you can score more, and these three are the important and repeatedly asked questions. If you really like, please practice and pass it on to your friends. Definitely it will be very helpful. The first answer here is root 3, and the next answer here is 1, and the next answer here is tan 81 degrees or cot 9 degrees. So I'll be uploading many more questions, important questions and compound angles. Please do follow my next video also, it will be very helpful. Thank you so much and subscribe to this channel.